into ongayazi inkulumo nawe ngenza kwethu 300 Ghanaians people esebehanjisiwe, at least abantu abaseGhana abawu-300 sebefakiwe ebhanoyini. Sibonge-ke kuhulumeni waseGhana ukuthi athumele indiza, ibhanoyi lizothatha abantu baseGhana babuyele emthethweni. Iy'ndaba ezibuhlungu ilezi zokuthi kulabantu abawu-300 abantu abawu-10 kuphela ebebe namaphepha ukuthi bebe se-South Africa. Abantu abawu-10 kuphela, only 10 ebebe namaphepha abavumelayo ukuthi bebe la eMzansi eSouth Africa. Out of 300, only 10 abanamaphepha ukuthi babe se-South Africa. Kukutshela ukuthini lokho? Abantu laba baseGhana abasebhanoyini njengamanje abaphindiselwa eGhana, umongameli waseGhana noma izwe laseGhana thumele ibhanoyi ukuthi lizolanda abantu baseGhana. Only 10 abanamaphepha asemthethweni ukuthi bebe se-South Africa. The rest abanawo. Shuthi 290 Ghanaian, 290 Ghanaian abanawo amaphepha bala eSouth Africa esebethathiwe ababuyela back ezweni lakhona eGhana. Bafowethu, kwenzakalani? Sikuphi? Kwenzakalani? Senzeni? Sitheni kubani? Labantu baseGhana abaningi kangaka, sikhuluma ngabantu abasuke bebeseGoli abalandwe eGoli. Asikakhulumi ngabala KwaZulu Natal. Asikakhulumi ngabase Northern Cape, abase Western Cape, abase Eastern Cape. Asikakhulumi ngabase Limpopo. Asikakhulumi ngabase Bloemfontein. Sikhuluma ngabasathathwe eJohannesburg. Bathathwa only 300. Ibhanoyi layisha abantu abawu-300 kuphela baseGhana. Into ezotshiwana. Siyabonga-ke kodwa-ke kumongameli waseGhana ayisumele phezulu into wayibona ukuthi kunenkinga ngoba akuliwa bafowethu. There is no xenophobia la. There is no xenophobia la. There is no xenophobia la. And also there is no tribalism. Kodwa abantu base-South Africa bathi nathi siney'nkinga esibhekene nazo, esicela ukuyilungisa. Sidinga ukulungisa iy'nkinga zethu esibhekene nazo. And futhi asikwazi ukubalekela iy'nkinga zethu esibhekene nazo. Siyanicela iy'ngane zakwethu eningenawo amaphepha nibuyele ekhaya. Uma seninamaphepha nibuye. Once you have organized your papers, your document, you can also come back to South Africa. Uzophanda la eSouth Africa. Uzofuna umsebenzi. But if you don't have a proper document, go back to your country and sort out the document. But also don't forget, bafowethu, fight izimpi zasezweni lakho. Fight all your wars into your country. Fix all issues into your country. Because we are fighting issues in our countries. Because we understand we have serious issues. We've got serious unresolved issues in our countries. But now, asikwazi ukubeletha wonke umuntu, silwele wonke umuntu, ongasilwisi mangabe silwe lezi. Asikwazi. Sikushayela izandla mongameli wasezweni laseGhana ukuthi wenza into enhle. Namanye-ke amakhantri siyabanxusa abakwethu. Nigeria, please. Wosuzolanda abantu bakho, thumela iPeace Airline. You once did it. Thumela iPeace Airline. Ngokunjalo Ethiopia, please do justice. Ngokunjalo bafowethu. Hawu. Siyanicela phela bafowethu. Nani lapha eZimbabwe bafowethu, hayi kabi. If you don't have a proper documents, mongameli walapho Ethiopia. Landana abantu benu. Landana abantu benu abangenawo amaphepha balandeli. Onke nje abantu all African countries, you know ukuthi you've got people abase South Africa, they don't have proper documents. They are illegal in South Africa. Please come and take your people. To help them to have ama documents. Ukuthi they can come and work in South Africa, no problem. They can come back and work. But they must come with the right channel. Help them to have ama documents country yakho. Then they can come back and work. But all illegal foreigners, please leave South Africa, go and do your paper, go back into your country. We just want to fix our country. Okay? We're not fighting with anybody. No xenophobia and no tribalism. Don't listen to those political peoples. Don't listen to those political idiots. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to those scammers. They must not mislead you. They're not going to help you. They never even help us. They never even help us. I know those people, politicians, they try to fool you. They never even help us. Nothing. But don't listen to them. I'm helping you. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to Malema. Malema won't help you. He can only talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. It's his job to talk, to make a noise. It's his job. If he's got a contract with MI6, it's his job to corrupt and manipulate everything and make noise. But not here. He's not going to help you. But we thank you, Ghanaians. What I'm not happy with, Sengvala. La eThekwini bekunabantu about 400 and something, I think 450 or so. Ebebesizwa bethathwa beyiswa kuma refuge immigrants. Bethathwa ngebhasi. Umeya waseThekwini was much more involved to help to do that. But I disagree with umeya waseThekwini uma ngabe ethi abantu baya ba-checkwa yi-Home Affairs. Kwatholakala ukuthi only 2 ebebe ama-illegal. The rest to 400 and something bebe legal. I disagree. Why I disagree? This is why. Because umuntu uma ngabe ebezazi ukuthi unamaphepha, ubengeke azayogibela ibhasi. Because there was no xenophobia. Ubengeke azayogibela ibhasi azoba i-refuge, azaye Home Affairs ayocheck. Ubese no nanka ama-document ami nginawo right. Ubengeke aze ahlanganyele nalaba abaphenikayo abathukile aze aye lapha. No. Because uma uzazi ukuthi yonke into yakhe right, unamaphepha, ubuzokhipha ipassport yakho, ukhipha amaphepha akho ukuthi nanga amaphepha nasi passport yakho, then you're right. But now, why now do we have ukuthi imeya yaseThekwini isiqambela amanga ithi abantu abacheckiwe lapha aba-right banamaphepha? Why? Hayi guys, no. Ama-politician asishaya ngemfe ephindiwe bafowethu ngeke. Yeke lento eniyenzayo bafowethu ngoba nizoyixabanisa nathi. Man benefita nina niyabenefita, you are beneficials kulento ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners ebela South Africa, but we don't benefit as a civilians. Njengabahlali base-South Africa, we don't benefit kwi-crime. Njengo-enje njena mangabe bethi kuzothunyelwa amasosha umsebenzi wawo ukugada ukuthi akungangenwa kufohle bengene beze South Africa. Sebengenile already, amasosha semesile out, asemoshile already. Umsebenzi wawo ukuthi agijime eyovala lapho ukuthi avikele izwe bengangeni abantu abama-illegal la eSouth Africa. Okubuhlungu thina masivakashile siphuma siye ngale, noma ngabe sithi sithengela ama-fruit ngale, asibungele ukuthi sigele nama-fruit ethu. Awukwazi nokusuka nanenyama oyithenge ngale, kodwa nebadedela abantu bengene. And sebeyayisho-ke nabo bakwethu, sebeyadiklela ukuthi uma benemali bavunyelwe ukuthi bengene. Kodwa-ke le video beko yokubonga uhulumeni waseGhana, wenze into enhle uhulumeni waseGhana. Thank you so much. Kumnandi ukusebenza nawe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ngumzansi. Thank you singabahlali basemzansi. ukuthi wenze into emnandi. Thank you so much.
South Africans, let's salute the Ghanaian president, or should I say the Ghanaian government. Finally, abantu abayi-300 baseGhana, noku government wakhona took it upon themselves into baba transport back to their country, because bayabona into bi-South Africans zisimisele ngalento yomcimbi we-30 zikaJune usuku olukhulu. So bayabona nje into ba le into serious and abafukalelanga into ba kuze kufane nala nyaka ka-2008. So abantu babo babathathile. So bachilo bathi lena kusese yi-first batch abantu abayi-300. So bayiqale Sunday ukuba processor kwathusa babona ke befika noke airport into ba naba noko ngokusabayahamba. Hayi ke ipolisa lethu bafethu seliconfirm into ba kuloyo 300 leyo bayitenye qha abantu bebese South Africa ngokwasemthethweni, the rest bebezi illegal foreign nationals. Sesona statistics esi-right ke esi nizawukhumbula mos ba ngela xesha bokhona abantu bokufika bebhizi bekhempele eDurban besithi hayi bosabela impilo zabo bekho safe. Endizibuza ba xa bengafili safe besithi abanye phofu babaleke emazweni wabo because babengekho safe, bengafiki nalapha bafiki abafili safe. Ithini lento bengabalekeli kwamanye amazwe nje into abaza feel safe kuwo yintoni, but ke yakhona into ethu government wethu phofu home affairs uza nento ethi baba processile abantu abayana bonakala ingathi banamaphepha only 2 abangena amaphepha. Ndayiqonda nje ba webo buphixiphici yonke lanto ayikho lanto, because imajority yabantu bona siyayazi into ba illegal apha ezweni lethu. Only few are actually legal, imajority ba illegal. And ke ngoku umuntu illegal umuntu ozangela ngendlela engaqondakali ngumgulukudu lonto leyo. So siyahalela nje into ba kona makulunge enye singalwi ke phofu nabo bafethu sisitsho nje sithi sihalela nje ukuba kube khona nje i-law and order, because some of us have actually traveled outside the borders of South Africa and siyayibona into ba lento yenzeka apha eSouth Africa kwamanye amazwe bafethu ayikho lento le. Asithetha into kandiva kwezinye zezinto, sithetha izinto that we have experienced. Xa sifika kwamanye amazwe sifika siwahlonipha amanye amazwe because siyazazi into ba sizeke sizizivakashi singama-visitors kwamanye amazwe and siyawumamela umthetho wakhona akudlalwa. Even bona abantu bakhona lento abafuna ukuyenza xa befika apha eSouth Africa abayenzi even kwawabo amazwe because kunantoni kune-law and order. Even ijele zakhona bafethu zijele bayosaba ukwenza ubugulukudu kwii-countries zabo because bayazi ba ijele yijele akudlalwa bafethu. So nje into ilapho ayikhona into ethethekayo apha ngokungathi iNigeria seyithe nje nayo lento yenziwe eSouth Africa ebantwini bayo nabo bazayenza eNigeria ebantwini bethu. Ndingekho sho ncami into umzekelo eNigeria, how many illegal foreigners do we have eNigeria? Bafike njani beyofunani? Hayi bafethu andiyazi but nje andiyiboni ncam. Ndikhumbula nini khona into ivideo ngeke ndadibana nayo apha bebhizi befunana ne-illegal foreigners zange bazifumana. Besehla besenyuka bethi befuna nama-South Africa zange bawafumana. So uba ngaba izawuthi into yakhona siyazi bethiwa ingathi bafuna ukubatshiso Shoprite, bafuna ukutshiso Shoprite. Sasike sayiva into yaseparlament babathi bafuna into ba ku-revoke ii-licenses zo-DSTV license zento ezo-MTN bafethu singendawo right now. Into esinendaba nayo kukulungisa ilizwe lethu. Uba benzani ngoShoprite, oShoprite oqashwa abantu babo, oShoprite okubenefita bona, i-MTN kuzi-network abazisebenzisayo bona. Uba bathi nje bafuna ukushata down i-country yabo bafethu singendawo leyo yabo silungise, mabalungise elabo ilizwe ngendlela abacinga ngayo, nathi sibhizi silungisa elethu ilizwe ngendlela esicinga ngayo. Phofu ne-embassy yakhona ento eNigeria yayike yayiveza into yoba izimisele into yoba-transport abantu bakhona. NeZimbabwe besike seva kuthiwa hayi bathi ibhasi zizawuba available into yoba abantu bahambe abantu bakubona. Sizama ukulungisa bafethu, you are like xa kumane kuthetheka into ba sizawuba siyi-Afrika, sizoba yiyo yona i-Afrika, but lungisana amazweni ukwenzela uba nathi sizokwazi into bathini sigqobhoze sikwazi ukuvisitha kuma-countries wenu azabe nawo esemgangathweni othini oright. Anirhaleli nina, aninizinci nge-countries zenu, anirhaleli uba nee-countries njengathi zibhadlabhadlile. Le energy ninayo banizolwisana nabantu umzekelo eSouth Africa, why don't you take it kuliswe ugovernment wenu? Sizanincedisa nani in as much as nithanda ukuthi hayi nasincedisa xa kulwela i-apartheid xa kuthini, it's fine, iyane emazweni wenu inoba nathi sizanincedisa kulo mazwe wenu into yoba nani nilweleni inkululeko ke kwezo ndawo zenu. Hayi bafethu masingaphathanini kakubi mani, yona into yakhona izawubambi ayizuba nhle ncam, but nje anihalela ngibona kuba kuze kuchitheke igazi. So ngathi nje kona umuntu nomuntu nje ezikakhesaro kakhesalo umuntu nomuntu angaqoqa umsila wakhe bafethu, siboneni basenza njani ku-government wena.
So of the 300 Ghanaians that are going home, 290 out of the 300 were illegally in South Africa. 290 out of 300 were illegally in this country. I know when they report this, they keep saying only 10 were legal. 290 were illegal. One thing I can tell you is that Mangobese, Jacinta, my queen. This is why even the ANC is speaking and they are saying whatever Bofikile Mbalula is, because you are exposing their failures, my darling. And imagine, these are people that didn't even wait for the 30th, and they more and more are still gonna be going. Those that are stubborn are the ones that are gonna stay. But at the end of the day, you are doing such a great job and so much change.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Government yaseGhana ikhiphe iplane ngokuthi kulanjwe abantu baseGhana la South Africa. We know ukuthi kuthiwe kufuneka kufike mhla ka-30 June bonke abantu laba ama-illegal immigrants la South Africa sebavamuzile, sebahambile South Africa. Kani i-government yaseGhana idecide kulanza abantu baye South Africa. Ikhiphe iplane yalanza the first batch of people lebe bang-300. Kule 300 people bayitheni kuphela labatholakale ukuthi bebala South Africa ngalokhu semthethweni lo 290 wonke yebo ihlalile nje la South Africa illegal nje sana. Then iHome Affairs yethu itositshela ukuthi baba verify bonke ba right kanjani onabo ukutholakala phela only 10 bebahlila South Africa ngalokhu semthethweni, the rest but ihlalile nje baqhamuke ngwenya. So balabaningi they are uploading i-government lapha eGhana ngokulanza abantu bayo. Let's hope usitobona nabo Nigeria, nabo Zimbabwe, bo Malawi, bo Mozambique, nabo baletha amaplane eSouth Africa balanza abantu babo. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.